Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you is how to fix the broken screen of your phone and what is the implication of using a broken phone screen. So guys, stay tuned and what's up. So guys, those times of 3310, 3210, even you drop your phone is like normal. You dust it off, you fix it for a while, and then you put it in your pocket. But this time around is like a smartphone era. So if you drop your phone, it really gives you a heart attack. So if you are lucky, if it's just a bit of broken pieces of screen or just a little bit cracked. But you know guys, it's weak because since the evolution of new technology is evolving, so we have to go through to the lifestyles. So guys, last week I dropped my phone and it gave me many a heart attack. I don't think if is it visible. Yes. And luckily it's not really broken, so it's just a bit of crack. But you know guys that there are so many implications if you are using your broken phone screen. First is the touch screen malfunction. So if you are using the broken screen of your phone and then you sometimes you encounter that the keypad or the touch screen is not functioning well, or even you press it hangs. And another thing is it cause blister to your hand, because sometimes broken glass is very sharp. So if you keep touching the screen, then it will cause blister or splinter to your hand. And another thing is you are exposing to too much radiation, because your smartphone is very high definition. So if you are using the broken screen, all the radiation will be more exposing you. And so guys, if your phone screen is broken, it will not go better, because in times of using this, I think it will be more exposed to the dust, because the screen is open, so all the dust, the water will go in, so your phone will not stay longer. But if I have some idea guys, because I keep on searching how to mend a cracked phone, so I go discover it using toothpaste. So I want to show you guys if it really works, because if I try it, the crack of the phone is a bit disappearing. So means like it's not it's not visible, like the crack is still there, but I mean it's like not really visible. So guys, stay tuned and I want to show you how it works.